Hello everyone, welcome to JJ Squad. I know it has been a while. I haven't been posting anything when it's pertaining to my daily cleaning with my birds. Been busy, was sick, had COVID, but just wanted y'all to see my birds, let y'all see my daily clean every day. No matter if I am sick, I still got to do the same old thing. So um, I had my mask on when I was around them because I don't want them to get sick. And be mindful, that was last week when I had COVID. But I'm doing better now. I made it through it. That's a good thing. So let's just get right at it. Getting ready to dump all the trays. For the most part, they eat what they like. The majority like to eat the peanuts, seeds, and walnuts. They're not really big on the pellets. Yeah, they're not really big on the pellets, but I give it to them anyway because it's high in protein. Alright, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and clean out Skittles bird tray. So let's stroll down here. As you can see, it's not too much of a mess. That's a good thing. He's making improvements. I guess you could say Calypso is putting them on point. You know how them females is, man, when they try to correct the man over and over and you just get tired of it and you just do the right thing. Oh, now he want to say something now. Putting these puppy pads down. They have been doing nothing but wonders for me. So we have cleaned his tray. Now let's go over here and do Calypso the same way. She don't really make too much of a mess, so I don't be over here too long. For those of you who don't know, and my bad, I probably didn't mention, these puppy pads are 28 by 34. I use 2 of them, and it covers the whole tray. So for the most part, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna take it off this right here, and as y'all already know, Calypso had flew away. I think it was last week. Luckily, I was able to recover her. She didn't. It looked like she flew from a distance, but she didn't really fly that much. She wasn't in a tree or anything like that. She was in like one of the little bushes, so I was able to get her. I'm glad she didn't have that much energy, to be honest. But So I done had this cage probably like 3 years, and the locks are messing up on it. So I end up buying new locks. As you can see here, it's the same one, but this right here is just a little bit newer. I like it a lot better. I also did the same with Skittles. Skittle got a new lock because it just wasn't, for some reason it just wasn't stable enough. But this right here, you can tell it's very sturdy, so you don't have to worry about the birds escaping. This week I decided to buy some more food. The birds love the peanuts. I decided not to get them in the shells. I decided to just go ahead and get them without the shells. I think they'll like it a lot, even though it's going to cut down on the foraging and stuff like that. But in occupying their time, I think this right here will be a lot better. I also bought them some toys. As you can see here, they're pretty big toys. I'll probably hang it up. I'll probably hang, as you can see, Skittles still got a lot of stuff to chew on, but Calypso, she go through these right here toys, so I'll probably end up giving her some more today. I also wanted to try some new food. Just like I mentioned, I give them pellets, but they don't really like the pellets. I like it because it's high in protein. So I'm trying something different with this right here brand, because this is a mixture of pellets and different types of seeds. So I'm gonna try this and I'll let y'all know what I think about it. About some more puppy pads. Puppy pad, just like I had mentioned to y'all, the puppy pads is 28 by 34. I used 2 of them. The cage. Only thing I got left is changing their water bowl and giving them some food. But other than that, thing is pretty much clean. Right now, Skittles is eyeing that food over there. He already ready over there. Like, man, what's going on with this? Why they ain't in my tray here? What else I wanted to talk about? I think that was about it. About the locks. The locks are no problem with them. Very solid. Calypso actually escaped up here to the top up here, and as you see, I got a lot of carabiners up there to keep that locked in place. Next cage I get, it will be a dome top like this with no way out on the top. Because I don't really, if I'm let the top open, I'm pretty much gonna leave the door open. You get what I'm saying? So it kind of defeats the purpose. But Calypso want to say hello to everybody. Spoil Sug. Alright, well let me get back at it, y'all. I've been JJ Squad is signing out.